Alright, so welcome to this video section where I'll be showing you some list of trades we've had over the past week running on the XPATS trading system. And I'll be starting from the list of trades that have closed in the last 3 days. So let's go to custom period, and then we'll now go to trades that are still running. Alright, so in the last 3 days you can see that um, we've had 4 trades. Okay, so 2 of them closed in loss and 2 of them closed in profits, and overall you can see that the profits supersedes the loss. So I'll be starting from BTC USD. All right, and this trade were called by the XPATS trading system, and BTC USD was actually taken on the M1 time frame. So it was taken on the M1 time frame. So um the fact that it is on M1 time frame will actually make the analysis a little bit tough, but let's see if we could easily scroll back to the day it happened. Okay, that was here. I was around here. So um, we just got a sell signal. Okay, we got a sell signal from our system. You can see we have the sell signals, and it's not just about what you are seeing on screen alone. There are other factors that contribute to what the sell signal gives. So immediately we saw the sell signal, we knew the market is going to sell. Like it's going to be a massive sell. So we entered the market here, and we took our profit here for about 17,527 pip, which gives us this 17 $17 profit here that you can see. So afterwards, even before this arrow comes in, you can see that we already got another buy signal based on other parameters that you cannot see now because we've gone behind that. And that trade actually came to profit, but it took us out in loss before reversing and going to profit. But then the initial sell, which was the first trade we got, you can see how massive the sell was. The sell was from $89,000 level to what we're having right now. So it was a massive sell. So and today we're at $86,000 level. So that's what happened on the BTC USD. Then we have the Euro SGD, which was taken from the H1 time frame. So the Euro SGD was taken from the H1 time frame. So we have a sell signal here, and we have our stop loss here. It's just painful that we had a stop on. So you could see that even though we got in here, and it literally took us out just around here before it gave the massive sell, and it's still selling. So we were right about the direction that the market was going, but we probably just got in earlier and we got stopped out. You can see this is where our stop loss was. So we just got stopped out, and then the sell is still running. So it's a painful one, but yeah, it's part of the business. And also we have the GBP cards, which was also taken from the H1 time frame. This is a very sweet trade. As you can see, we anticipated a sell for GBP card, and you can see that price just came into our sell area. You can see it here. So price came into our sell area, and it gave us 87 pip. We could have taken more, but we were using our fixed risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. So usually we were risking around, I think we did 1 to 5 here because we were risking around $10 here, and we got $63, which is about 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. So that's just what we got on that. Let me just go to M30 time frame. I'm trying to see if I could point the stop loss. The stop loss is somewhere around here. Yeah, the stop loss is here. So this is the stop loss here. So you can see that we were right on knowing that we are going to make quite a lot of profit. So this was a very short stop, and you can see how profitable the signal went. So let us now check our running trades. So we have Euro GBP, which was also taken from the H1 time frame. One of the beauty of this system is your ability to be confident of the trades you are taking and patient. Okay, so we all these trades are actually buy limits, so they were not taken spontaneously. We knew where the market was coming. We knew the market would react there, so we waited for the market to come there and to react there. So if you check on H1, this is what it looks like on H1. So as you can see, we knew the market is going to come here and it's going to buy from here, so we put our buy limit order here. I have the screenshots of the buy limits that were there earlier on. So we'll put the buy limit order right here, and you can see how the market just gave us just came in, took us in, got us into the game, and we are moving great, and we are moving very, very well up. So that is down that. So we are still in this. This is still running a 43 pip. This is still running 43 pip. As you can see, we are still 43 pip in this trade. So we are going to see this one out. It was a very clean trade. You can see that it was a clean entry, very clean entry trade, and it's giving us what it should give us, as a matter of fact. So then we are going to move to the pending orders that we still have running. Number one, which is gold buy limit. So you can see we have a buy limit of gold, and if you check the date, it was on the 15th of 12. You can see that our buy limit and sell limit were around the same time, because the analysis doesn't take us quite long. We just look at the market and we see what the market is saying. So you can see that it took us like 1 minute, approximately 1 minute, to analyze all these trades and to enter our limit orders. So you can see that on the 15th of 12, on 15th of 12, which is December 2015, December 15, 2025, we have a buy limit order for gold, which, if we are to track this very period, which is 1351, should be around a time frame around here. Let me find it. 12 December, this 15th of December, shows our entry should be around here. So yeah, this 13. So this is where we were. This was around the time frame. This was where the candle where we're analyzing. Okay, this is the candle where we're analyzing the markets, and we're expecting to buy. We place the buy limit here. So you can see that from here the market literally came down here, but then we couldn't get trigger, so we missed the entry. We missed this very entry, and you can see immediately the market reversed to where we anticipated it to go. So it was a very cool move down here and then up there. So we missed this, as you can see. It's a painful one, all the way from here. So we placed our buy limit here, and market was very close, so our buy limit was at 42.67, and the market came as low as 42.71. So we're just like 500 pip in gold terms, 500 pip, from entering into this trade, and gold reversed on us. And you can see gold has came to kiss our TP here, very close to our TP here. So we already knew that this market played out without us, so we'll not be staying in this market. Henceforth, we'll be deleting this order. So we've deleted our order. So let's check the other order we have. This is NZCCHF. So the fact that our entry is around the same time, we placed this limit around the same time, which is 1353, December 15, 1353. So which is going to be around here. Is it around here? So it's around here. So we placed a sell limit order here, and we expect the market to still come up here to come and get us in our sell limit. Though you see that the market reversed right here. From the very moment we placed the trade, the market just came down towards our TP zone. But we are still expecting that the market will come up. We've seen it perform some miracles here. We're still expecting the market will still come up to our entry and then give us a full TP. So we'll leave this one running. Let's just check AUD USD, Australian dollar USD. So our limit is still around here. So you can see the market tried to come up here, but then it's yet to get our entry, and then sold. So we are already at our TP here, and for this reason, let me check on the H1. For this reason, I would be deleting this order as well. So the market is leaving us behind. I'll be deleting this order for something else. Okay, I'll just be deleting AUD USD as well. So obviously we can see that the market moved into our anticipated direction, but then it went there without informing us ahead. So it's okay. AUD USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. So our entry is still expected to be around here. 15th, on the 15th, 1700. So this is where we set our sell limit, and we can see that the market is going straight into our sell limit zone. So it's still going to our sell limit zone. So we expect the market to come here and give us a sell. Okay, so that's what we're expecting on this. Someone will say, why don't we anticipate this buy? Our strategy does not say buy, it says sell. So we're anticipating this sell, and we know it's coming down here. So that is what we have on USD JPY H1. So we are going to leave USD JPY running as well. So like I said, this video is not to detail how the system works, but to show you that the system works. Okay, we are not going to the details of this is what we look out for, but this shows you that our XPATS trading system works and works well. So I'll be seeing you in subsequent videos. I remain Techie Sam. Do have a nice day ahead.